Hi, my name is Lixter Costales, and I'm a reliable and detail-oriented virtual assistant with experience supporting e-commerce businesses and online entrepreneurs. I help clients with tasks such as data entry, email and customer support, product listing management, order processing, and basic social media or admin support. I work with platforms such as Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, and I'm very comfortable using spreadsheets, Google Workspace, and productivity tools. What sets me apart is my attention to detail, strong work ethic, and clear communication. I make sure tasks are done accurately and on time so my clients can focus on growing their businesses while I handle the day-to-day operations. I'm highly organized, quick to learn new systems, and I always treat my clients' business as if it were my own. Whether you need ongoing support or help with a specific project, I'm ready to contribute and deliver quality results. If you're looking for a dependable virtual assistant who gets things done, I'd love to work with you. Feel free to message me. Let's talk about how I can support your business. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you.